Well, guys, I got some bad news. So this is an upper fill tank, and there's a lot of, I don't see any actual pinholes yet, but the rust has really gone to the tank pretty good. I might be able to weld some of these. We're just put Bondo over it, body filler, call it day. I gotta see if it leaks. I still can get this tank, but the bottom tank I cannot get. I found one in the UK. That's pretty much the same condition. But this bottom tank, haven't even messed with it. Hopefully, because it's been leaking or something. There's been a hydraulic leak right above this, so hopefully that's protected it from the oil. But this upper tank, it was under the dash, and I guess the paint just, I don't understand why the paint came off or it rusted, because it was under the dash. So it's protected by the dash, but I mean the bottom ain't. You can see the bottom like right here, but the whole top of it's protected. Go show you what part goes on top of that. This part right here. This field cap, and this whole thing sits on top. So, I don't know what to do with. Frickin' ordered a different pair of snap ring pliers. You gotta return the frickin' cheapo ones, because they're junk. I'm trying to debate. I gotta put a light in here, see if I see any holes. If I see any holes, because I already gotta fix this, I might just go ahead and get a new tank for this. I might. It would save me some work, but I don't know.